Hey there, welcome to GleoAI, a fun way to ace conversations. So what we have here, we have a scenario-driven approach to help of you ace the art of conversations. And we have a bunch of steps. But first, why is it even important? It's important to help overcoming these real-life problems we can all relate to. Now, without further ado, let's hop on to our tutorial. First step we have here is what we call knowing you better. Filling this information will help us understand you better, your goals, and your background. Then we have some personalized goals. Let's go with career development here. Next, we have some realistic scenarios to choose from. And then we some instructions here to conversate based on scenario and it's time-bounded. It will assess on these three metrics. Then here is our scenario description. I will probably let Michael to start this conversation. And we start. Oh, hey there. We have our first message. To not waste your time, let me fast forward here a bit here. On top right, you can see the timer going. You can also click I button to see the scenario again in case you need. Now as we are done, we click finish, and yes, we are all set to get an analysis of our conversation. And voila, we have our analysis ready across three metrics essential to any conversation with a proper justification of each score. Lastly, we have what we call tips to improve upon, or you can say call to action. Then we have small feedback form to help us understand your experience better. You can also write your comments. If you feel generous enough, you can also fill out this form to help us better learn about the experience of people we care for. For now, let's get back, submit the form, and we are done. Oh, and if you think this approach to ace conversations is worth your time, do join our wish list to help us connect with you better.